So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope I didn't keep you guys waiting too long. Today I have for you another day in the life video as a single mom. Now it's my week with my daughter, and yeah, I've decided to just film a short and quick video for you to show you what our morning or our routine is like, a day in the life. So that's what I'm about to do here. And I want to say a big welcome to my new followers and to my returning followers. Thank you guys so much for your support. If you have not yet clicked on the subscribe button, please don't forget to click the subscribe button, like, and leave a comment in the comment box asking anything you like, and your girl will get back to you. So guys, today is the day. It's a Monday and I have to get my daughter ready for school. I have to go to work myself. But as you can see here, your girl didn't do the dishes last night. I did not clean up the kitchen because I was exhausted. Whatever happened. I was not in the mood for doing anything, like any late night cleaning. So yeah, that's what your girl is gonna do right now. I'm gonna quickly clean this up, put it together, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video.
In the town on the hill where the apples grow, the church bells ring every hour or so. I took a little walk just to see the ships coming in. The sun rose up right above the highway, black, blue, red, yellow, golden skyway. It's like the day that you jump into the wind. I can't go back down to that water again. These old muddy shoes keep on walking the streets. Someone's bride buying Egyptian sheets. The window display of some little store in town. And there's my reflection against the morning light. Hello, Mr. Ghost, Mr. Skeleton White. You better comb your hair, you better wipe that George Clay off your brow. You better stand up straight, man, these people hardly recognize you now. Lord, carry me like a sailing ship. Comfort me before I slip around the dark side of the moon. All this spinning around hurts my head. I just sit here lonesome for you. There's a million things I would rather do instead. I know it takes a lot to change a worried mind, and I know it takes a year to see the warm summertime. But I'm made of nails, man, made of tombstone, tall, tall trees. But the tombstone fades and the nails will rust. The tall oak trees, they all turn to dust. A little every day, it's so slow that you can't even see. I guess I'll try to find another thing to be. Lord, carry me like a sailing ship. Comfort me before I slip around the dark side of the moon. All this spinning around hurts my head. I just sit here lonesome for you. There's a million things I would rather do instead. I just sit here lonesome for you. There's a million things I would rather do
So, guys, though I know this might look like a lot to do in the morning before work and taking my daughter to school, um, I always wake up like 2 hours earlier, an hour earlier. Sometimes, some days, your alarm goes off later or whatever, and you lie in bed and linger a little bit. But I normally wake up like pretty early, like around 5 o'clock in the morning. Sometimes even when I'm not working, I don't have a lot of things to do, I wake up early because I like to be, I don't know, it's not even something. Sometimes I even wake up without my alarm clock going off. But whichever way, I am a early bird, so yeah, that's what I'm doing. Sometimes I even get up early to work out. And so, guys, a little bit random, but I would say that I'm a little bit of a loner. I really do. I'm an introvert. I love being by myself. I thrive and feel so good in my own company. I'm the kind of person that like has like a lot of friends, but I choose to stay at home like all the time. I enjoy like just sitting at home, lighting some candles, having a glass of wine, just chilling, watching some TV and stuff. Even the weeks when I don't have my daughter, when I can do stuff and stuff, I'm like always at home. So I don't know, am I the only one like this? I don't think so, but I feel like mine's a little bit extreme where I need to probably get out a little bit more. But yeah, I really, really like being alone. Like I really get time to, think and like clear my mind, think about what I need to do with my life, all these things. But I don't know. Just drop in the comment box if you are or know anyone that is also like me, that really just like to spend time by themselves. Some people might call it depression, but I call it just my peace and yeah, peace time. So, guys, as you can see here, it's later on in the day. Your girl is back home from work. I'm gonna make some food. I'm gonna whip some stuff up. Yeah, here I'm cutting up some potatoes and I have some chicken, like there that I'm gonna prepare. I also need to prepare some quinoa, because I'm trying to change my diet. Your girl is trying to lose weight, and like I said in previous video, recently I started working out more, so I'm taking this shit like serious. I'm turning like 33 this October, and I feel like I need to be in shape. I need to have some sexy birthday dress on or something. But anyway, long story short, I'm back at home. I'm just putting some stuff together. My daughter is also here. You'll see her running around soon. She was pretty hungry after school. Like she's always hungry after school. So here I'm whipping her up like a homemade kebab. Just like I bought the frozen chicken and I'm gonna like just fry it up a bit and some vegetables and stuff in a wrap for her. So yeah, that's what your girl's gonna do. And I just hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. I don't know what the hell is going on, but I feel like my apartment is crazy warm these days. Like ridiculously warm. Here you can see your girl has a change of clothes. I put some tights on because that skirt was not skirting. So yeah, I'm gonna fold some laundry here because I did the laundry like a couple days ago, but guys, like, I don't know, I just can't get around to folding laundries. Like, I hate it so much. I don't know, it takes so much out of me. I have to wait until the last minute. Like, I'm like, okay, I need to fold this now because I cannot get in my bed. But it's like, I don't like folding laundry. I will do the laundry, I will hang the laundry, I will do all the other stuff around it. But when it comes to folding the laundry, it's my worst nightmare. I hate it so much. But I have to force myself to do it because I also have to teach my daughter that, it's important to put the clothes away. But I'm just struggling here. But yeah. So, yeah.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet next to me. I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. I can't contain it, I'm coming out with a statement. You really changed, man, all your music and arrangement. You don't know shit, shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate. For taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future, we all start losers. We're all late bloomers, gotta struggle through the sewer. What you say, yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
So guys, as you can see, your girl has gotten somewhere. I am done folding the clothes almost. I'm just gonna put away the last pieces, and me and my daughter, we're gonna just prepare for the evening, like eat some food and shower, get ourselves together for the, bedtime, whatever. But yeah, I want to say a big thank you to all my supporters once again. Thank you so much for the love and support. And this is gonna be the ending of the video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Continue to like, subscribe and show your girls some love, because you know, without you guys I cannot grow on this platform, which is what I'm trying to do. I need to get to 1,000 followers and that 4,000 watch time. So please continue to watch your girls video and share, thumbs up, and we'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this one. Thank you guys. Bye.